your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
83 degrees the air temperature. We have a 90-degree heat index at this hour thanks to that dew point value now at 75. So high dew point value means lots of moisture in our air. And that's the reason it's going to feel pretty sticky all day today. 77% relative humidity. By the time we get to 9 o'clock in just a few hours, we'll have about a 40% chance of some showers around. There'll be light stuff, hit and miss here and there along the coastline. Brief periods of drizzle or spotty rain. Perhaps you'll see some of that. Most of us will not. Again, the 40% chance means 60% chance you're not going to see that. But as we head into the noontime hour, and especially later in the afternoon, our rain chances go way up. We have leftover boundaries from earlier overnight storms, plus daytime heating, moisture, all of that adding together to create the potential of about a 50% chance of some coastal showers by 12 p.m. And then by 3 p.m., everything moves inland, but the rain chance goes up. And there could be some storms around, too, that could produce some strong winds. So we'll watch for that. 7 p.m., 40% chance of some leftover storms. We had a big line of showers drop southward in kind of a complex of storms. Fizzled out, and it's left a boundary that still exists out in the Gulf waters and will help be a focal point for showers. But a similar sort of situation could build again today. And with that might come the potential for some gusty winds. So we're in a marginal risk for severe weather, which basically means just over the line into where it might be possible. And not for tornadoes, not for hail, but for gusty winds, damaging winds possibly. So we'll wait and see how that plays out. That would be later in the afternoon. And that will occur mostly in inland areas, but the threat also extends toward the interstate. Right now, everything is quiet. Morning commute should be just fine. Westerly wind flow again encourages most of the activity to be in inland areas. But the forecast weather shows the showers and thunderstorms building to the north of us along that old boundary and then gradually sinking southward. Heavier storms, especially to the east of us. As we head into the weekend, we'll get a little bit of a low pressure area kind of drifting across northern Florida. As that happens, the moisture content of the air will go up, will spike up, in fact, and that will give us good chances of rainfall through the weekend. Not all day rainouts, but there could be some periods of heavy rain and certainly scattered to numerous thunderstorms around, and lots of people going to be at the beaches this weekend. So please remember the lightning safety tips. If you hear the thunder, you're in danger of being struck and should go into some location where you'll be safe. Dry weather to the north of us, dry air aloft, may work its way down in time for the 4th of July holiday, kind of reducing our rain chances a little bit. Southwest wind becoming south at about 10 knots in the forecast, kind of shaping up like this. The westerly wind flow will continue today, tomorrow, the day after. Moisture will increase over the weekend, and a little upper level kicker in the atmosphere may help enhance rainfall chances as well. Not all day rainouts, but certainly more numerous showers and thunderstorms around. Some drier air will work its way in on Monday, begin to, and kind of settle in on Tuesday and Wednesday. Winds will shift from a westerly direction to a more easterly direction. So we'll put in a 30% chance of a 4th of July shower. Again, the chances for rain are reduced, but the focus for where those showers will be is going to shift back to our coastline because winds will shift back to the east. And then on Thursday, a 30% chance of rain as well.